What's up, guys? Super Perfect here, and today I'm going to give you a room tour. So, this is my room. Oh, and also I'm using my new vlog camera today. Sorry, it's really kind of messy, but this is my new vlog camera. I hope you like the quality. Here is all of this stuff. Start from here. Giant Peyton Manning. Amber. Really big Colts fan. Peyton Manning and Reggie Wayne. Autograph of Reggie Wayne. Football. This is my messy desk. Sorry for the mess today. God. I'm really not. I've been like posting now. Because I haven't posted in a while at the bunk bed. Sure. I sleep. So this is my room, my brother's bedroom, bed. I mean, I have my ukulele, chair. I got my cross gear back down there. And, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick room tour. Sorry my room was so messy, but yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your day and peace.